how to set up name drop iOS 17. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your contacts, and here on the bottom part, you'll see 5 different options. You will see your favorites, your recents, your contacts, your keypad, and then your voicemail. So tap on your contacts here. Now, here you will see my card. Tap on your card there. And as you can see, I have actually edited my name here to Dimitri Ivan. And then if you want to change your name drop on iOS 17, what you have to do is on the upper right, you will see edit there. Tap on edit. Now under edit here, under your name, your profile, you will see your name. So all you have to do is to just click on that and just delete that and create your new name here. And for this, tap on this. And basically, if you just tap on done if you are done with that. Now, whenever you try to share your contact or your your contact card to anyone, the name that will actually come out to their phone is the new name or your new name drop there. And basically, that is how you set up your name drop iOS 17. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. And thank you for watching.